Hey everyone, here is a 90-day debt reset plan from your friendly chartered management accountant. Debt doesn't usually begin with a number. It starts with a moment. Maybe you lost a shift, got hit with a hospital bill, went through a breakup. Whatever the trigger, it's rarely just about spending. It's about life happening faster than your budget can keep up. In this video, I'm walking you through the most common reasons people fall into debt, and then I'll show you a clear, step-by-step system to stabilize, negotiate, and start climbing out. Stick around to the end, and you'll leave with a 90-day action plan you can actually follow. Let's start with the why. Because once you understand the pattern, you can start to break it. Some people face income shocks, like Anne, whose hours were cut overnight. Suddenly, her budget didn't fit her life. Others deal with health costs. Lisa had to use credit cards for treatment, and the interest grew faster than her recovery. Then there's lifestyle inflation. John and Anne earned well, but $120K of unsecured debt flipped the script. The lifestyle started owning them. Life transitions like divorce can split households and double expenses. Student loans often don't match early career income, squeezing out everything else. High-cost credit, think payday loans and store cards, can feel like relief at first, but they lock you in fast. Sometimes it's the small stuff. Subscriptions, forgotten contracts, little leaks that turn into legal bills. Addiction, whether it's gambling or shopping, can turn access to credit into a cliff. And when a business fails, personal guarantees can drag you down with it. Different stories, same result? Cash flow pressure and compounding costs. Now let's talk about what to do. This is the part most videos skip, the actual sequence. Do these in order. First, stabilize your cash flow. For the next 30 days, focus only on essentials: housing, food, transport, utilities, medication, and anything your kids need. Everything else can pause. Next, map your money. One page, write down your income, your essentials, and every debt. Balance, interest rate, minimum payment, and due date. No judgment, just data. Then protect your credit basics. Automate minimum payments on priority accounts so you don't rack up new late marks while you're negotiating. Drop your utilization fast. Pay before the statement date, not just the due date. Try to keep each card under 30%. And only ask for limit increases if you won't be tempted to spend more. Now it's time to call and negotiate. Ask for hardship programs, lower rates, payment holidays, or interest freezes. Always write down the date, the person you spoke to, and what they said. If it makes sense, consolidate or restructure. The goal is to lower your total cost and have a clear payoff plan. A balance transfer can help, but only if you stop using the old card. Boost your income as quickly as possible. Think practical: weekend shifts, tutoring, deliveries, selling unused items, offering small services. You're looking for quick wins. Finally, lock in a 90-day plan. Set weekly targets: who you're calling, what you're paying, how much extra you're earning. Track it somewhere you'll see it every day. In some countries, like South Africa, there are a few extra tools to check. Look into credit life insurance on your loans. If creditors won't budge, consider NCR-regulated debt counseling. Do research and check for extra tools in your specific region. Now let's add a few scenario-specific tweaks, depending on what you're facing. If your income dropped, call your landlord early. Offer a written plan. Most people say yes to certainty. For medical bills, ask for itemized statements. Challenge any errors. Do research and see if you can apply for financial aid. It's out there. If lifestyle inflation crept in, try a luxury fast. Redirect that money to your highest interest debt so you can stabilize. Going through a divorce? Freeze joint credit, close or convert accounts, and build a new baseline budget in week 1. With student loans, shift to income-driven plans. Refinance only if it truly lowers your total cost. For credit cards, Use a balance transfer with a clear payoff calendar. No new spending until it's zero. Subscriptions and fines? Audit everything. Cancel what you don't use. Set renewal alerts. Ask for fee waivers. First-time forgiveness is common. If addiction is part of the picture, self-exclude today. Move to a no overdraft account. Get support from a counselor and one accountability partner. If your business failed, separate personal from business debts. Negotiate in writing using your cash flow summary. And if you're stuck with predatory loans, replace them with lower rate options from a credit union or employer if that is an option. Stop rollovers immediately. Here's the bottom line. Debt is a story, and stories can be edited. Your edit starts with stabilizing the next 30 days and committing to a 90-day plan. I've linked a free one-page checklist with all the steps from today. Download it, print it, and stick it on your fridge. If this helped, share it with someone who needs the plan, not just the motivation. Free debt reset checklist downloadable on my Shopify account. Link in bio, like, follow, and subscribe.